Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Don't forget to subscribe!
Have you ever seen magic in real life? Magnets are amazing stones that can stick to your fridge or pick up metal paper clips without using any glue at all. But how do they do that? It's not actually magic, it's science. Every magnet has an invisible cloud around it called a magnetic field. It's like a secret superpower force that you can't see with your eyes, but you can definitely feel with your hands. Just like the Earth, every magnet has two ends, called poles. One side is the North Pole, and the other is the South Pole. They are the captains of the magnet team. Here is the #1 rule of magnets. Opposites attract. When a North Pole meets a South Pole, they pull together tightly, like best friends giving a giant hug. Snap. But wait, what happens if you try to push two North Poles together? Whoa, they push each other away. It feels like there's an invisible bouncy ball between them that just won't let them touch. So what makes them so strong? Inside the magnet, billions of tiny little pieces are all lined up facing the exact same way. It's like a whole army of tiny ants marching in a straight line to combine their strength. We use this sticky power everywhere. Magnets hold your beautiful art on the refrigerator, and super strong magnets can even make fast trains float above the tracks. How cool is that? Now you know the secret of the sticky stone. Next time you play with a magnet, see if you can feel the invisible force pushing and pulling. Go explore, little scientist!